Well, well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man.
Hey, how do you want me to bring you in?
My apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some evasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
Stop right there. What's going on?
Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault?
What? He's gone rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Call in reinforcements and move in. Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you guys don't need to...
Come on now. Wilson, we've got to get out of here. We've got chaos at our front doorstep. We're not built to deal with this, man. Go, evacuate everyone. I can take care of this.
There he is. He's got the ruby.
Now forget about it. We've got to retreat, or else the Top Hat Clan will be history. Orders, Captain?
Let him go.
What?
We got what we came for. He's not worth the trouble.